Hello skincare enthusiasts. Today we're going to show you a relaxing ear care treatment and a men's facial that'll breathe new life into your skin. We'll start by cleaning the ear. And then applying an enzyme gel to help exfoliate and remove dead skin. Next, apply a mask. With Q-tips, make sure to remove the mask completely. Then we follow that up with ear extractions. Let's move on to ear candling. Ear candling is an alternative therapy in which a hollow candle with a protective covering is inserted into the ear canal and lit. The heat creates a suction that pulls earwax and debris out of the ear and into the hollow candle. Lastly, we add a little bit of oil accompanied by a calming ear massage to conclude this ear treatment. Let's move on to the next treatment, the facial. We'll start by prepping the skin with cleansing wipes. Next, we'll apply a plant-based enzyme gel. This will help deeply exfoliate the skin. Extractions. Apply natural antiseptic gel to soothe the skin. Then apply the mask, which has skin tightening and toning properties that revitalize the skin. Finally, massage in a moisturizer to lock in hydration. Repeat this routine every 6 weeks, although really every day should be Self-Care Sunday.